Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your My Freedom Mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the Google search bar, search for My Freedom Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the login portal of Freedom Mortgage. Now go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and then click on Login. This way you can successfully log into your Freedom Mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your email address or your password, click on these two links and you can retrieve back your email or recover your password quite easily. And if you don't have an account yet, just click Create My Account and you can create a Freedom Mortgage account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your Freedom Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.